For me, ILP there are two things you have to understand. So whether we introduce ILP or not, the coming of the tourism will not be stopped, because they are coming as a tourist. They are here to promote the tourism. We are here to promote the tourism. So ILP is not all about the tourism. It's all about the regulating the people coming in. Yes, so the main thing of the ILP is to stop the illegal immigration for settling, right? So we have many look across the state, right? You see many illegal immigrants in the state without any record. Government doesn't have. But for me, right? Yes, ILP is only for regulating of the incoming illegal incoming to the state. However, we have the in place mechanism, sixth schedule, the land transfer act, so the other MRI, SSA, right? Every we are in power. Whether in power, we have the Dorbasnong, we have the Nokma, every locality. We are in power, we are well equipped to detect whether there's any illegal settler or not. But only this will work systematically only when everybody take the responsibility. If every Dorbasnong, if every Nokma scrutinize, detect any illegal immigrant, who will come there? Because the land belong to us. Land belong to the community. So it doesn't mean that we can buy land and they settle here. No, in Meghalaya it doesn't allow. Many procedures have to be followed. District council, NOC from the Nokma, NOC from district council, district administration, all things will be required. So I think it's not easy in the Meghalaya directly to come and just settle like this. But however, in terms of labor, in terms of there are many illegal immigrant is coming in without the proper information to the government. So yes, well and good if ILP could be introduced, because we can regulate better. However, be it ILP or any other system should not stop like a tourist, which is like a bread and butter to the state. We don't have any industry in the state. Therefore, tourism is the strength for our economy. Therefore, we should. I wish that tourism should grow proper, and we should benefit. Our people are getting a livelihood out of this. So let's work out better way so that our tourism grow better in a better system.